y'all, it's Emily and I just got a package in the mail, so today I'm going to be unpackaging it. So this is my Pura Vida brand ambassador package because I am a Pura Vida ambassador. So basically I have a discount code that will get you 20% off. I will put it on the screen, and then as soon as I get like my first sale using that code, they send me this. And it's a super cute package. I don't know if that's the package that they normally use, but it's really cute. So you might have noticed I'm already wearing a few things from Pura Vida. I've got some rings and bracelets. So in this package, I believe they're sending me, like, this is like my reward for getting my first purchase, and also like my initiation into the program, I think, because I'm already like an ambassador, but I haven't done anything really yet. So I guess this is gonna, like, I don't know what this is, so let's find out. Okay, so first, I believe this comes with every package. I think it has stickers in it. Yes, it does. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay, so first we have a little envelope. And inside it, let me just dump everything out. I have Pura Vida rep stickers. So these are stickers that nobody else has except for like the ambassadors. And then I have some cards that are like sort of like business cards, except for not really. They're not personalized, I'd have to write my own code, but it has a space for me to do that. So there's a few of those. Oh, and then they tell me that after I've made my third sale, they'll send me an exclusive charm. So I guess they send me just like a little thing each time. So this time I got 2 stickers. So that's fun. But there's more. So we have a package. I already can tell. There are bracelets in this, so that's fun. Oh wow, I have a whole pack. How fun. Okay, kind of cool. It has the price still on it. It says this is a $30 valued pack of bracelets, which is pretty cool. Oh, okay, so I was trying to find out what type of pack this is, but this is the representative pack. So it's exclusive as well. And then it has 4 bracelets in it. Oh no, it has 5 bracelets. 2 of them I'm really liking the colors of, and then the rest of them, like, they're still cute. Actually, I like this one too, but there's 2 that have colors that I wouldn't normally. Actually, they're all cute. Just maybe not together. So let's just open that up and, you know, put them on, because cute. I already have some bracelets on, so I'm going to move the ones that I already have onto one hand, just because. Now I'm going to put on my 5 little cute bracelets. This one I love. It's kind of teal with a little bit of coral accent. They're very stiff and new. This one's really cute. It's got like some very, very light yellow, orange, and blue. Then we've got a blue, purple, and light green one. That one was easier to put on. Then we have, this one's got a lot of colors. It's got orange, light green, dark green, purple, blue, green. I already said green. Okay, so next, this one's a little bit out of my color range that I wear often, but we've got yellow, red, blue, and orange. So here are all the bracelets. I love them. They're so cute. I love the look of like a bunch of bracelets, so that's super fun. And then I'll show close-ups in a second, and you should have already seen a few as I showed them as well. Now let's see, I don't think there's anything else, but let's just double check. Yep, it is empty. So basically, if you don't know anything about Pura Vida, first off, they're a super cute company. But also all their bracelets are handmade by artisans, and it was founded in Costa Rica, so I guess that's the place where most of them come from. But like all of these are handmade. So that's really cool, like that they weren't made in like a factory. So buying bracelets, I think like 50% of it goes back to like the makers, or maybe more, I'm not entirely certain. But I believe at one point in time I heard or like read somewhere that that was the thing. Oh. So apparently I'm at sand status as a representative. So that's interesting. And then as I make more like sales using my code, I'll get to a higher status than sand. So all in all, what I'm trying to tell you is go use my code EmilyLongenecker905. I'll put it on the screen. At Pura Vida, I'll link it in the description as well. And then using my code you get 20% off of anything, and then I get like a very small percentage back. Like my first sale, I believe I made $4.16. So yeah. So I became a brand ambassador a while ago. I'm not sure how long ago it was, but like I haven't really done much with like being an ambassador, which isn't great, but I'm definitely going to start doing more, like posting on my Instagram, which is also linked in the description, and stuff like that. So the things that you can get at Pura Vida using my code, it works for pretty much anything. And Pura Vida, if you don't know, they sell bracelets, rings, necklaces, all kinds of jewelry, anklets as well, earrings. They also sell like stickers, but mostly stickers will come with your pack, which I think is super cute, that they send out like 5 or some amount of stickers with every purchase, which also I have stickers for my last purchase, so I might just show you those real quick. So here are some of the stickers that I already have. They sent more than this. I just put them like on different places. I think there's one on like my camera, some on my computer, I don't even know. There's probably some on my skincare fridge, which if you haven't watched that, I don't think it's posted yet. But if it is, I'll link it in the corner. The stickers are really cute, and then everything else of course is cute. Okay, so now I'm going to go through all the Pura Vida products that I have and show you close-ups of them, just so you can get a taste of what you're getting yourself into if you check out their brand, which you should totally do. So let's get into the close-ups really quick. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Also, I should definitely point out that this is not like sponsored. Like, I am a representative and I like get stuff back from like doing this, but it's not like technically sponsored. Just to put that out there. Subscribe for more updates on like my whole ambassador like thing, how it goes for me. I also post a lot of videos about fashion, makeup, and skincare, and like girly things like that. So subscribe for content like that. So comment of the week. What's your favorite type of jewelry? Mine would probably be earrings, seeing as I have a lot of piercings in my ear and that's super fun to play around with. So anyways, I post every Monday, so come back next Monday for a new video. It'll be probably super exciting and good. So definitely subscribe so that you can see that. And then check out all the links in the description. And I will see you next Monday. Bye!